The lions bask in the sun, getting energy for the day's hunting. Many males bark at each other, fighting for prominence in the group. Small birds are there too, waiting for their share in the feast. Thank you. This is National Geographic. Fellow commentator, hello Jim.
Hello Bobby. It's a very nice evening for sea lion spotting because there's a rare atmospheric phenomenon going on where it actually causes them to accumulate in large numbers because they sense that in the future there's going to be a more intense storm in the sea which is going to disrupt their normal feeding patterns. So by congregating together they can increase their chances. They'll come across a large school of fish and they'll be able to hunt it down and store their supplies, which is really an integral part to their survival. Out here in nature, it's a very difficult environment. You really need to use all you can to survive.
Thank you. Very interesting.